It's
Fun.
well, it's a Latin
die?
name. Means no. It's because it's Latin. On Latin, it means Bob or something.
Wow. You pretty much suck. Look. 1 win, 3 losses, 2 freaking kills in 4 rounds.
What in 4? This is totally. What?
I still can't get over we lost to the computer.
No, that suck.
That was because you decided to kill me. I'm our only hope of beating the computer. You should know that.
So we already did 4 rounds, and it maxed actually perfectly with 1 part. So shouldn't we just do 10 rounds?
Okay, bye. I think bye.
Oh, bye. Let's do more rounds. What was I gonna about?
Isn't the recording too long?
Yes, it is. So, but we record maybe 10, and then we split it up in parts after.
Yeah, to anyone who's have not yet noticed, I have never done this before.
Never.
I am talking into a phone at the moment, which is not at all weird and not at all distracting. And once again, I want everybody to agree with me that the joke I made about him being slow was funny. To anyone who didn't hear the joke was, he said, no, I asked, has anyone ever told you that you're slow beside me? He didn't answer. I said, oh yeah, that's right, you're gym teacher.
Yeah, everybody heard the joke now. Just buy something.
It's funny.
Yeah, it's very funny. Buy something.
No, I'm not buying anything until we agree that it's funny.
It's funny. Okay.
Why don't you sound convincing?
Because I laughed at your joke. Isn't that enough for you?
Okay. Well, let's kill him. Ooh, lasers. The funny part is that I've actually played this game with him a lot of times, and he always is very, very angry about me using lasers. And because we are recording this, he's not as angry as he usually is. But you should see his face.
I hate you. What round are we in? I forgot. Round.
We are about to start round 5.
Okay.
Ooh, let's try this. Nah, not fun.
I don't know. No, I don't like
There's a hell of a lot of things that I don't have.
You have no idea what it does.
Exactly. Let's see. They were fun. They sound funky. Funky bomb, sound funky. Yeah, bad joke.
Bad joke again. Bad joke.
That was what his gym teacher said about his running.
Shut up! God damn it!
Sorry, I'm gonna stop now.
Are you gonna come up with another joke now?
Was what he answered his gym teacher when he said so. I'm gonna stop now.
Best pick.
Yeah. I only have one kind.
Stick. What the fuck was that?
What was what?
He just blew himself in the face.
Well, he's not that smart. In case you have not noticed, it's your turn.
I know that. I fully noticed, and I'll just do jump. Fuck!
Jump.
Stuck! No! Fuck.
Yeah, great. Now I have an excuse to use lasers, otherwise I simply can't hit you.
What the fuck? How did I miss that?
Do you want an honest answer?
No.
I figured. Well, let's kill him.
I wanted to kill him.
No, I want to see how you get out of this
Yeah.
now. What the hell are they doing? Oh, he also tried to kill himself.
Just blowing the planet in pieces. That's what they're doing.
It's no fun for the rest of us when the opponents are suicidal.
Jump, 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 jump. I can't get out of this hole. Fuck.
And you're stuck. You still have a little fuel.
But I don't want to use that. I want. Test you. Fuck, what? Fuck!
You just spent my turn.
My turn ran out and I spent your turn and your laser.
Yeah, I'm using yours.
Yeah, that's only fair.
Whee!
Let's just pretend like nothing happened there. Okay, now it's your turn.
Sorry.
That was only because I did that and there is...
Yeah. It never pays to be stupid.
You
should stop it.
Shut up! Oh fuck, just spitting all over.
I'm
us.
having a way better time than I thought.
Yes, teleportation. That's what I need. A lot of.
I can't believe you had to talk me into this. It's extremely funny to kick your ass. Wow, I didn't really lose anything this round. Ooh, lasers.
Next time we're gonna hack this game and then take lasers out of the game.
Oh yeah, because you're that smart. I can't even say it without it sounding funny. That was fun.
I think lasers should be more expensive, or then they should put them in like the blue boxes.
They don't really do much.
No, but they're so easy to hit people with, and they damage a lot.
No, that was what I mean. They don't do a lot. They don't damage that much. Not when you look at everything else.
Yeah, but I still think there should be more
It's called expensive.
Okay.
And
we're back. We just had a little
discussion in Danish
Exactly.
about him being a jackass. But, well, you've probably seen a lot of his other videos, so shouldn't be a surprise.
And you're saying I'm being a jackass.
Yeah, and he's probably gonna cut me out now.
Just kind of.
Okay, if this is gonna be edited out, I just wanna say Wiener Schnitzel. That's it. Yeah, I'm just gonna save my money. I don't really know what to use it for.
No.
Maybe I should buy one of these just in case.
Just in case.
Yeah.
Just in case. Best pick?
Yeah.
Wow, I need to buy some new shields. So, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna do my favorite thing. No!
And he's gone.
I'll just do this instead. No, fuck, that took my turn. Hello there. I've never been this close to you before.
Wow, that was creepy. That's kind of freaking me out a little.
Oh, funky bomb. We should really put some funky music on.
Play that funky music. Funky song. I don't know the lyrics for that song, but
Yeah.
other than funky song.
Bye. Loser. What the blue box? No, don't do that. Don't do it. When did you get a teleporter?
I just said I'm not gonna buy one of these just in case.
Oh, I didn't even know what you bought. I just...
Oh.
You're trying to shoot with me with the teleporter.
Yeah, shut up.
Still alive. Wow, really? Really?
Yeah, I don't get him. Play that funky music, funky song. Funky.
I really hope this is not gonna... Oh, fuck. Well, we're fucked.
Yeah, we're pretty much both dead. No, you
I'm
survived.
still alive.
Yeah, good luck. He has.
How the hell did the other guy die? How did the red guy die? I don't know. What, did I not buy some of these? I am so sure I bought some of them. Well, I'm gonna use a shield now. Just in case. Then I'm gonna
use your freaking laser.
Oh. Well, I'm gonna hit him. I'm gonna hit him. Funky bumps. And he is dead. No, I missed the blue box. Whatever. I won.
Yeah, and you don't get to do that a lot, so just enjoy it.
What am I buying?
You're just pushing buttons.
Okay.
Look at the number, you freak.
I'm not a freak.
Why does it keep doing that?
Because it has a thing down here.
Yeah, don't do that.
But you can just, like...
I just wanna say, I ordinarily use Mac. I hate Windows. I needed to say that.
They can't even see it's Windows.
If they get to see everything that keeps popping up here, then they will see it's Windows.
Oh yeah, if you press this one.
Play the funky music. What am I doing here? Oh, of course. I can't even... Why did I even ask?
I don't know. So I think we should do one more round and then pause the recording. And because I don't know if then I think there's a limit on the thing here. So
yeah.
This problem.
I have no idea what you're talking about. You're just
like
gonna do what you
the
do.
phone recording.
Yeah, I'm just gonna let you do what you want.
Yeah.
Something I haven't tried yet.
Cake.
Ooh, airstrike. Best pick?
Yeah.
And me too.
Wait a second.
Yeah, I'm starting. Where are you?
Nowhere. I just what?
And you're gone.
Fuck. Okay, it's still recording. Well, I'm dead.
That was fun.
You just got a text message.
I did.
Yay!
Let's just kill him.
What did he just do? Did he just do nothing?
I have no idea.
He did. It says shotgun, and then he did like nothing.
Oh crap!
Yeah, you're kind of screwed.
Yeah, why didn't I use a teleporter again?
Because you're stupid. Oh fuck! Don't do that.
Yeah, I just flicked him, but he deserved it.
So let's see who won.
Me.